Looking for a simple snack that packs a punch in the health department? Look no further than your friendly neighborhood apple. Apples are nature's powerhouse. Rich in dietary fiber, they keep your digestion on track and support a healthy gut. But that's just the beginning. Packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols, apples fight off inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, and protect your cells from damage. Need a boost? Apples are an excellent source of vitamin C to supercharge your immune system, and potassium to help regulate blood pressure and keep your heart in tip-top shape. And if you're watching your waistline, apples are your best friend. Low in calories, they keep you feeling full longer. Plus, they promote oral health by stimulating saliva production, reducing bacteria, and keeping your teeth shining bright. Versatile, delicious, and nutritious, apples are an easy addition to any diet. So the next time you fancy a snack, grab an apple and take a bite towards better health.